The SwitchBot TwinFlow K10 Pro vacuum is a cleaning maestro. A silent whirlwind designed to conquer the chaos of everyday life. This innovative combo, with its TwinFlow Suction Tech, is like a pair of dancing partners, gracefully sweeping and swirling away dust, debris, and pet hair with effortless precision. Its dual dust collection station is a treasure chest, automatically stowing away the day's grime so you don't have to. And therefore, it frees you from the mundane chore of constant emptying. Moreover, this little powerhouse is both compact and lightweight, so it can easily navigate tight corners and slip under furniture, truly making it the ghost in the machine of your home's cleanliness. In essence, the K10 Pro is not merely a vacuum. It is a sentinel of tidiness. A quiet guardian ensuring your floors are perpetually pristine. Furthermore, the SwitchBot TwinFlow K10 Pro vacuum is a technological marvel that speaks the language of your smart home. Its compatibility with Alexa, Siri, and Matter, with Hub 2, means you can command it with just a whisper, making it a truly hands-off experience. For instance, you can simply say, "Alexa, tell the vacuum to clean the living room," and like a dutiful genie, it will spring to life and begin its magical work. Consequently, this smart integration transforms cleaning from a tedious task into a seamless part of your daily routine. Because of its quiet operation, you'll hardly notice it's there, allowing you to work, relax, or entertain without any disruptive noise. In contrast to other bulky and loud vacuums, this device is a phantom of cleanliness, a shadow that sweeps away the dirt without ever drawing attention to itself. Ultimately, this SwitchBot TwinFlow K10 Pro vacuum is a perfect blend of power, intelligence, and discretion. Ultimately, the SwitchBot K10 Pro is more than just a cleaning appliance. It's a silent partner in the pursuit of a spotless sanctuary. With its advanced features and thoughtful design, it takes on the lion's share of the work. And yet, it does so with a whisper rather than a roar. Its dual dust collection station is like a bottomless pit, a convenient abyss that swallows up all the mess. And thus, it ensures a truly hands-free experience for weeks on end. Additionally, the device's compact size belies its immense power, enabling it to navigate the most challenging of spaces. In conclusion, this vacuum is a testament to the idea that great things come in small packages. Ultimately, the SwitchBot K10 Pro is a quiet hero in a noisy world, silently working to maintain the serenity and cleanliness of your home. And that is why it is an indispensable addition to any modern household. Pros: the app is well designed, app has helpful visual guides, mapping works well, handles obstacles and furniture well, can set no-go zones, handheld vacuum is a handy bonus, robot vacuum is small and agile, saves you tons of cleaning time, lightweight handheld vacuum, handles carpet like a pro, no issues with tangled hair, self-emptying feature is great, fits in tight spaces, quiet operation. Cons: handheld vacuum holder alignment issue, struggles with high kitchen thresholds, gets tangled in thin wires and cables, suction not effective on long pile carpets, mopping function is an afterthought, movables like bags are expensive features. Includes robot and cordless vacuum, shared dual dust collection station, empties dust for both vacuums, uses TwinFlow Suction Tech, compact and space-saving design, very lightweight and easy to use, quiet operation with Silentech, works with Alexa, Siri, and Matter, anti-tangle design for pet hair, litter navigation for smart mapping. The SwitchBot Robot Vacuum and Cordless Vacuum Cleaner K10 Pro combo offers a comprehensive cleaning solution. With its shared dual dust collection station, which automatically empties dust from both the robotic and cordless vacuums featuring TwinFlow Suction Tech and an anti-tangle design. This combo is effective on various surfaces and handles pet hair with ease. Its compact, lightweight, and quiet design, aided by Silentech technology, makes it a convenient and unobtrusive addition to any home. The robot vacuum uses litter navigation for smart mapping, and both units are compatible with smart home ecosystems like Alexa, Siri, and Matter. With Hub 2, the SwitchBot K10 Pro is a compact, lightweight robot vacuum with a self-emptying base that saves a significant amount of cleaning time. It's agile enough to navigate tight spaces and handles most carpets and obstacles well, with no issues from tangled hair. The companion app is user-friendly, offering helpful visual guides and effective mapping with no-go zone functionality. A lightweight cordless handheld vacuum is also included as a bonus. However, the vacuum struggles with high kitchen thresholds and thin wires, and its suction is not effective on long pile carpets. Additionally, the mopping function feels like an afterthought, and consumables like bags are expensive.